There are few myths we want to talk about. First one is that neurodevelopmental disorders are caused by bad parenting or lack of discipline. कई बार हमें लगता है because neurodevelopmental disorder is not a very visible or easy to identify disability. तो हमें लगता है इसको सिखाया ही नहीं है. Suppose a child is not able to sit in the classroom because of some factors. Maybe the child has some sensory issues, or the child is hyperactive, or the child is, you can say, finding because of his SLD or something, the child is finding everything very difficult and not able to sit in the classroom. हम मान लेंगे कि उसको ठीक से सिखाया ही नहीं है. So this is not true, because maybe the child is actually having deficit areas, and there we need to identify the deficit areas of the child. Next comes, the child will outgrow the disabilities. No, the child has to learn to manage the disabilities. Disability is permanent in nature. Disability खत्म नहीं होता है because it is not a disease, and that is why treatment is possible through medication is also not true. We need to have managements through therapies, through teaching methods, through other ways. So yes, these are manageable, and we need to manage the child's disability. A child can learn. A child with SLD can learn. A child with ADHD can sit in the classroom or can manage his behavior. They can learn to do that. So we need to teach the child. It is also believed that the people with NDDs cannot live independent and successful life. Believe me, all the scientists and all, they are those only, most of them. जितने बड़े बड़े नाम ले लो, उन्होंने ज़्यादा काम किया. कई बार हमने ये स्टोरीज पढ़ी है. ओके, तारे ज़मीन पे आपने देखे बहुत सारे, तो वो चीज़ें वहाँ से देख ली. So believe me, they can succeed in life, and now things are coming. People are coming openly. Yes, my child has. Now, the biggest myth which I want to address here, that children with special needs should be given education with the special educator only. That is, the special education room provides the best or tailored education to this child. Not 100% true, not at all, because a child will have a better education when the child is sitting in an inclusive classroom. There the child will learn far better than sitting in the special education room. So these are the myths. Please don't fall for them. These are not actually going to work.